boosting. I feel like I just made that up. Like, what is that? Like, it's like the good morning da da da. I'm not even gonna try. Hey guys, what's up? It is 10:30. I did go to bed kind of late last night, but I need to make myself a cup of coffee. Dude, look at the array. Dude, when I call you guys dude, that's how you know that you're my bestie. Look at the array of mugs we have in here. We have so many. That's Anne Marie's like special mug that she just got, so I don't touch that one. Honestly, I like the clear vibe. Why can't I make a freaking decision? Let's do the clear vibe. Actually, no, let's go with Phil's. I don't know, I'm being drawn to Phil's. So I'm making myself a cup of coffee because I literally cannot function without it. And that's just how it is. I want like an espresso machine so I can make like lattes. I just like love lattes. So does Anne Marie, I mean, so does Sterling. So we would love an espresso machine, but it's just, they're like 800 bucks. I'm just like, ugh. I don't know, I feel like it's not worth it, but I guess compared to the amount of lattes we buy, maybe it is. So I normally use the Coffee Mate like French vanilla flavor, but I decided to go with the Italian sweet cream. It's actually pretty good. It's funny, every time I show this cream, everyone's like, Franny, the cream is bad for you. It's not healthy. At the end of the day, I like it. It's fine. I'm not drinking the whole thing in one sitting. Okay, here I go. That probably was too much. I just like my coffee on the sweeter side. I need to go gather myself because guys, I have just so much stuff to do today. I have a laser appointment. I need to get a car wash because I went to Utah and my car has about 3 inches of dust on it. There's just so much stuff to do. And I'm like, let me bring you along with me while I do all the boring stuff in my life. Okay, I need to start getting ready. Yeah, let's get it. Okay guys, so I'm now gonna quickly wash my face and gather myself to head to my first appointment. But before I head out and start my day, I want to talk about some products that I am absolutely obsessed with. It is the CeraVe acne line. Guys, I'm obsessed. Y'all know that I've struggled with acne for a long time and I've tried so many different products. I've done so many different things. Some things have worked, some things haven't, but this line specifically has done wonders for my skin. And there is no better time to share these products with you guys because June is Acne Awareness Month. I actually did some research on it and it actually says that 85% of adults suffer from acne. So if you say you don't have acne, I don't believe you. No, I'm kidding. But you won't have any more with this. And a little backstory on CeraVe. I have used CeraVe since I was a teenager. Like CeraVe was my go-to, still is my go-to product when it comes to my skin being really sensitive, when I need just a refreshing skincare routine. This is exactly what it does for me. So since so many of us do suffer from acne, what I do love about this line is that it was developed by dermatologists. You know you're not gonna be getting products that are gonna be too aggressive for your skin that are going to dry it out or make it super flaky. So this line is going to help treat current breakouts and help prevent new ones from happening. That's always A+. So I think the coolest thing about CeraVe is that the products are developed with 3 different types of ceramides, which help protect your skin barrier. I mean, I feel like a lot of people don't realize this, but when you're going out and you are in the sun or just pollution or like when you touch your face, like these products help build that skin barrier for you and help just keep it glowy and nice and just protected, which I think is the hardest part because when your skin isn't protected, that's when, you know, pollutants get on it and you can get sunburns and, you know, all that jazz. And all of these products are fragrance-free and non-comedogenic. The CeraVe moisturizer is actually the #1 most recommended moisturizer by dermatologists. And I think personally, it is hard to find a good moisturizer. Moisturizers, I feel like a very big culprit, or can be big culprits for clogging pores. So, you know you're not gonna get that with this. So my morning skincare routine with CeraVe, so simple. It's 3 products and chef's kiss. So the first one is the Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser. So what I love about this Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser is that it has 4% benzoyl peroxide, so it treats acne and prevents new acne while allowing skin to heal. The foaming formula actually is really amazing because it helps dissolve dirt and excess oil, and it does not strip the skin of its natural moisture. This formula is so gentle for my skin, and I just love how refreshed I feel after using it. And the hyaluronic hyaluronic acid helps retain the skin's natural moisture. No worries on your skin being dried out. Okay, so the next product I'm going to be using is the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. I love retinol serums. I have suffered from textured skin since I was a teenager. It'll go away, it comes back. Like, I've never really found something that really helps control it until I started using this product. This product truly helps just my skin texture, my skin tone, any dark marks on my face, and also just my complexion overall. This retinol serum also has niacinamide to soothe and calm your skin. Overall, you are getting super smooth baby skin. And last but not least, my moisturizer. So the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion. Guys, I have used this product. I can't even like begin to tell you how long I have used this product for. I think since I was like 15 or 16 years old, and I'm 25 now, so 10 years. And the day lotion is great because it has SPF 30, and I cannot emphasize enough how important it is that you are wearing SPF every day. Like, that's a whole other conversation, but this is great. And I love this product so much because I feel like moisturizers with SPF in it are normally like greasy and just get oily, and this does not at all. So this moisturizer also has hyaluronic acid to help retain the natural moisture in your skin, and it also has niacinamide to calm the skin. My skin gets aggravated during the day really easily, so this product helps so much. This moisturizer actually has an MVE technology delivery system, so it's actually releasing moisturizing ingredients all day to keep your skin hydrated. I just like, look how like glowy it leaves my skin. If I'm not putting makeup on, I love to have a nice glow. That's all I asked for, and that's what CeraVe gave me. But yeah, guys, I'm truly obsessed with my morning skincare routine with CeraVe. It's just the best. I have been using their products since I was 15 years old, and they have helped me a ton. And again, in honor of Acne Awareness Month, you know, I know acne is hard. I've dealt with acne since I was a teenager, and I still am, you know. I get a pimple here and there. I have texture. I have this, I have that, I have pores. Just know that acne is normal. I'm telling you, products like CeraVe make the journey and the process so much easier. So go ahead, check out their new acne line. You will not regret it. I promise you. So now that I've shared with you my skincare routine with CeraVe, I'm just a glowing goddess now. I'm gonna just quickly change and head out because I have to head to my first appointment. And as the day goes on, we'll do just a little check-in. We'll see how the skin's doing. We'll see how the moisturizer's keeping up. I'm putting CeraVe to the test, but I know I won't be disappointed. So let's start this day that I don't want to start because I have too much stuff to do. Guys, I literally walked out of my house and it is so hot outside. It says it's 80. I don't believe that. It feels like it's like 100 or like 95 degrees. I have been on the vibe that I'm wearing sweatpants and like a crop or like a t-shirt every day, right? And yesterday, that was my vibe, and I literally was like, oh my god, it's too hot. I was literally sweating my butt off. I think the sweatpants are gonna have to start going away, which I'm really sad about because now I have to like shave my legs and shit. I don't want to do that. It's fine. I don't even know why I say that. I still don't shave my legs like consistently like that. It's fine. Also, I just want to say, yesterday, I just needed a pedicure so badly. Like, I'm gonna be honest, like one of my biggest pet peeves, like for myself, is like I hate having my toes just not done or them looking like super janky. I just like can't stand it. I looked up a nail salon. The one I found was a 5-minute walk from my house. It had like a 4-star like review rating, and I was like, okay, that seems safe. I was like, okay, I feel like they're not gonna really mess up my toes or hurt me, or I was like, hey, do you guys have an availability today or whatever? And they're like, yeah, can you come in now? I was like, yes. And what I didn't know is that when I got there, I was looking at like the menu for the manicures and the pedicures, and all of them said like Russian manicure, Russian pedicure. So I got a Russian pedicure yesterday, and let me tell you guys, it was phenomenal. Like, they go in like no other. I don't think I've been to a salon in LA yet that like they used the cheese grater on my feet to like get rid of my calluses. This is disgusting, but I don't care. You know what I mean? Like, a lot of people just like use like a scrub foam and like calluses removal. Like, they use calluses removal, but then they like went in hard, used the drill to go around like my cuticles. I don't know, guys, it was phenomenal. There was at some points I was like, are you gonna rip my toenail off? But in like the best way possible. Like, I was like all of it. I was there for it. I was like, just rip my skin off. It was a great pedicure overall. That's basically what I'm trying to say. There she is, guys, getting nice and clean. Barely see her, but she's clean. Okay guys, so I'm waiting for my car to be washed, but I got some new scents for my car. So I always do the new car smell. It's just like my go-to, but I decided to go with jasmine today. I have no idea what it smells like. Like I know what jasmine smells like, but I don't know what the scent actually smells like. So I'm gonna open it up and smell it, and it just felt like taking a risk today. Yeah, I like it. It just smells like detergent. The pain is just not real. Like the pain of that laser specifically is gnarly, but I got it done. I'm chilling, I'm vibing. Yeah, that freaking hurt. And I don't know why I do it, because I'm lazy and I don't want to shave my bikini area. Okay, I'm back in my kitchen. I just got back. I stopped for food and I got a matcha latte with oat milk, and I add lavender syrup. If you have a place that has matcha lattes and you can add lavender to it, just try it. It tastes literally like the milk after eating Lucky Charms. I'm in love with it. And then for food, it's so simple, but I'm like obsessed. I've recently have been on a bagel kick. Like, I don't know why, I've been like just craving bagels. But I got a bagel with avocado and cream cheese on an everything bagel. I'm so excited. Just look at that. Wait, thumbnail. I'm kidding. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So good. You guys are probably wondering why I stand and eat. I don't know why. I stand and eat all the time. Like, I'll just literally make my food and serve it right here and I'll eat it. And Anne Marie's like, can you sit down? And I'm like, no. She's like, you're stressing me out. Update on Buddy, aka Doug. We switched his name to Buddy because he responded to Buddy better, because we have no idea what his name was. I was trying to decide if I wanted to keep him, because I really wanted to. I loved him so much. I felt like he was like, I don't know, because we went and grabbed him and rescued him. Ayla was taking care of him though for like the last like week, because I was in Utah and we didn't think he was gonna be ready to be picked up until I got back, and they literally called us the next day. So we went, grabbed him, and I left to Utah. So he was with Ayla the whole time, but I wanted to keep him so badly. Ayla already has 2 dogs, so she was like, dude, I can't have another dog. So she brought him over the other night, and unfortunately, him and Henry, it's not that they didn't get along, they were fine. Henry is just so high energy, which makes sense. Like, Henry just turned 1. He is literally this small, spunky, high energy dog. Buddy is just, you know, he's 2. It's not that he's old. He's so mellow. Like, you could tell he just he doesn't like being bothered. Like, he's not aggressive at all, but he just like likes to chill. He just walks around, he mopes around, he lays, he loves to sleep. He's just such a chill dog, and Henry like wouldn't let him chill. Henry was in his face, like bothering him, and then at one point Buddy checked him. Didn't bite him, but Buddy checked him and kind of was like, barked at him and kind of was like, back up, like you're in my space. And then Henry got the idea and stepped away. But I could just tell that Buddy wouldn't have been, I don't know, I feel like he just wouldn't have been happy with having Henry around. So I decided that I didn't think it would be a good fit for me to keep him. But we did decide to give him to Ayla's brother, and we're so happy about that because he's still kind of like in the family. We can see him whenever we want, and it's Ayla's brother, so Ayla can literally go and grab him whenever she would like. We know that he went to a really good home. We know that her brother is going to love him so much. I'm happy, I'm content because we found him a home. He's good, we saved him, he's vibing now. Alright guys, so I finished doing all of my laundry. I had so much clothes to put away. I just did some busy work around the house, got some deliveries, put those away, unboxed them, broke them down, put them in the recycling bin. You know how it goes. But anyways, I just wanted to do a quick check-in on my skin. My skin is still doing really good. It's still dewy, it's still soft, it's still moisturized. I feel like normally my cheeks tend to get like pretty dry, like start getting a little flaky sometimes. But no, my skin is doing real good. It's still glowing, it's still shiny, it's just soft and moisturized, which is like my biggest thing. CeraVe for the win. I do have a couple breakouts right now, but I mean, those are kind of inevitable since it's kind of like that time of the month for me. Unfortunately, that just comes with it. Yeah, other than that, my skin is just glowing. It's doing really good right now. And honestly, I'm really surprised, and guys, I promise, I did not do like any sort of like super I didn't touch my face at all, and it is so hot outside, and I've been running around the house. I have been going outside, coming in, whatever, and like I feel like I should be way more oily, if that makes sense. Like I should be like spewing oil out of my face, but everything is very controlled right now on my face and I'm loving it.
Stand next to me and show them what really this is what we would be talking like if we were really doing this. Wait, we have the same shoes on too. Oh my god, we both have these Uggs on. What the? Whoa, you can put your leg up high. Oh my god, were you a cheerleader? I was. I'm like, I literally was. I actually do guess a little, yeah. Shut up. Guys, this is the height difference.
Okay guys, so we're at Cannes and Ayla set up a sushi night for us.
I did. It's really cute. Come take a look.
Come.
So everybody gets their own individual cutting boards.
Cute.
And then they get their bamboo sheets, chopsticks. You know what's funny is most people don't know what ramekins are.
I know what a ramekin is.
This is a ramekin. Yes. So this is for sauces. This I figured would be for rice.
Okay.
We have a selection of, I don't really know, sesame oil, wasabi, rice vinegar, spicy mayo. Ooh, this stuff I'm actually really excited to try. Put it on your rice. It's seasoned.
Ooh. That's fun, okay.
We have sushi, nori, it's rice paper rolls. That's it.
So we started making our sushi and, oh. I finished mine and I put way too much rice in it. Look at all the salmon and then look at all the rice. So, oh my god, you put, I forgot the seasoning.
Spicy mayo.
Neza has the plainest roll to ever exist.
Same. Oh, you didn't put cucumber in it?
I don't like cucumber in my
Oh, right. Lyra's looks pretty good. Chelsea's still working on hers. Anne Marie.
I don't know.
Okay, Ayla, you're pissing me off. Yours looks so good.
Carrot.
I don't know.
It's so much rice.
Well, that's your fault.
I'm gonna put some rice seasoning on it, maybe. May help it. Oh, part 2 with soy sauce.
Yeah.
I'm gonna. It's really cool, Anne.
My sushi sucked, so.
What the?
Guys, so Anne Marie gave me her last sushi roll.
That's not what it looks. It looks like this. It was.
And she dropped it. Do you wanna demonstrate? No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, because I don't have strong fingies.
She grabbed
I
it.
went like this. Franny put her hands out.
And it went dink.
Okay, on the table, dude. Oh, look at, hurry up before Ian gets out here.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you think the placemats are for?
Okay, anyway.
Hurry.
It's gonna fall apart.
Oh my god. Hurry. Dude, like look at half it's in here.
Ayla.
Don't, you did that. I didn't do anything, I just showed.
Hey, it was pretty good.
I know.
Way better than mine.
Well, it would have been better if it was fully together.
You know what? I don't want this anymore.
Why? Are you serious? Does it not look good to you? What? What about it? Is it because I made
instantly
it?
got full. Okay, fine, I'll try it. This is Ayla's tuna with crab and cucumber roll.
Okay.
Sounds a little fishy to me. What? It does. Tuna and crab?
That was like the 5-year-old joke, but it was so good.